Assalamu alaikum dear students, it's me Muhammad Zubair Khan and this is the second lecture of week second of statistic 2. So in this lecture we will continue the previous topic, that was composite price index, that how to calculate the composite price index if a data is given. Composite price index basically using for the comparison of the prices of the group of commodities from one time period to another time period. And simple price index, the comparison or the measurement of a single commodity, the prices of a single commodity from one time period to another time period. Now, if you see, so here we have the same formula as we have discussed in the previous class. In this question, if you see, find the composite price index for 1995, 1996, 1997. The base year is 1994. So if you see the question, the base year is given, 4-year data is given related to three commodities. Commodities are, or products are A, B, C, and there are 4 years. And the prices of each commodity is given during the different years. So if you see, we have different values. The first point is you have to find out the total. The total of all the commodities means that you have to sum up the prices. The prices which are given in the base year, because 1994 is a base year, it is given in the question. So it becomes, we can denote it by P naught. The first current year, the prices which are given in the first current year will be denoted by P1, in second P2, in third P3, and so on. Then according to this formula, summation of P naught divided by summation of Pn over P naught. Pn over P naught means P1, P2, P3, P4. So we have to find out the summations of these prices, and it's very much simple. Just add them. İçi mission, jama mission, musbat mission. So if you add them, so you will get the summations of each year, the summation of the prices of three commodities for each year. Not commodity wise you will add the prices, but you have to add year wise. According to the years you will add. Now it will become like this. If we add them, so it will become 35 summation of P naught. If we add them, so it will become summation of P1 43, summation of P2 52, summation of P3 59. Now we will write the formula for each year for 1994. In 1994, this is the base year, so the current and the base are same because this is the starting point, it's the initial point. So if we have the initial point, so the starting point, the base year and the current year, they are same. So summation of P naught over summation of P naught, you can write like this: I 1994 equal to summation of P naught over summation of P naught multiplied by 100. So it will become how much? Summation of P naught 35 over 35 multiplied by 100. So it will become 100% because these two will cancel. The next one is for 1995. So summation of P1 first current year divided by summation of P naught multiplied by 100. So after putting the values, you will get 43 divided by 35 divided by 35 multiplied by 100. So it will become, first you have to divide 43 divided by 35. So it will become 1.228. Take up to 3 decimal places. Then multiply with 100. So if you multiply with 100, so it will become 122. 122.8%, 85%. After that, for the next year, I 1996, so it will become summation of P2 divided by summation of P naught multiplied by 100. So P2, there is 52 divided by 35 multiplied by 100 is equal to, first you have to divide 52 by 35, so it will become 1.8, 1.485. Then if you multiply with 100, so it will become how much? 148, 148.57%. Then for the next year, for 1996, not 97, so summation of P3 over summation of P0 multiplied by 100. So summation of P3, it will become 59, and P0 will remain the same, 35 multiplied with 100. So it will become 1.6857 multiply with 100. So it will become 168.57%. So by this way you can do calculation for all the years. Now you will search out the values. The first one, second, third and fourth. But when you are doing comparison yearly, so the price is here, if you subtract 100 from 122, so it will become 22%. If you subtract 100 from 148, so it will become 48%. If you subtract 100 from 168, so it will become 68%. So year wise or directly for the 4 years, here you should write, because the first and the last we will take. So 168.57 minus 100, so it will become 68.57%. Then you can write the prices are increased by 68.57% from 1994 to 1997. This will be the conclusion of the question. So you can check it, by this way. Now this is the way that how we can find out the composite price index. Simple price index, composite price index. After that we will find out, these are also called the composite, the aggregate composite price index also, we can call it the aggregate. So in the next video or in the next week, we will discuss the upcoming topic, which will be related to the unweighted aggregative price indices, or we can call it the first unweighted aggregative price indices or weighted aggregative price indices. And after that we will discuss the topic first, and then we will solve the questions like this on that particular topic also. But I will give you a few examples, and you will try to solve those examples by applying the method that I applied here in this video. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.